Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at Illustrator and how to create this simple heart shape. Okay, to get started you want to click on the pen tool in the toolbar at the side or click P on your keyboard. Next you want to click to add a point and hold in shift, and that will keep the 45-degree angle that we're after, and click to add another point at the bottom, and again hold in shift to go up for the final point and click. Once you've these 3 points, click enter on your keyboard and that'll lock in our shape. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to add a stroke. So we want to go to the stroke on the appearance toolbar at the side, and we want to click on the stroke, and we want to ensure that round cap is clicked on, and then what we want to do is keep adding some stroke until we get our desired heart shape. So I'm going to start with about 125, and as you can see that sort of gives us the initial heart effect. I'm actually going to just raise this up a little to about 150. Okay, so now that we've got our initial heart shape, we want to go up to object and expand, and we want to expand the fill and the stroke. Click OK. Next we want to go to the pathfinder and click unite all, and this will give us our heart shape. Now to go a step further, we can add a gradient. Again, go to the gradient tool at the side and click to add a gradient. I'm just going to give it a nice red and pink color, like so. Okay, so now we've got the gradient filled in. Next we can add a 3D effect by going to effect and going to 3D materials, and then we can go down to inflate. Once you click this, it'll bring up the 3D materials box, and this will have all the different properties for this. What we want to do is just play about with these until we're happy with the overall look. I'm just going to give it a little bit more volume and depth. Okay, once we're happy with that, we can actually add another effect by clicking on the object, going to effect and stylize, and then next we'll add a drop shadow. Again, the drop shadow window will pop up, and we can add all different options. The default for this seems fine. Again, click OK, and there we have it. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.